Look at this. This is amazing, okay? You're not gonna find this stuff. You ready for the next one? Ideal Toys Crossfire. Okay? Crossfire. They told me every one of these is complete in box. I didn't check yet. Okay? This is the original Crossfire in the friggin' box. Look at this thing. Look at this. Okay? All at a yard sale. Okay?
Good.
All at a yard sale. Box is good. It's open on that one side because, you know, they played it. But I was told it's complete. These are table games from the friggin' 70's. In unbelievable condition, the boxes. Unbelievable. Alright, you ready? Watch this. This is the one that caught my eye. Because I had never seen this. Pivot pool. Okay? Pivot pool. Look at this thing. Alright? This thing is crazy. Crazy. In the friggin' box. The box is mint. The box is mint. It's open on one side because it's used. But I mean, you're never going to find this. Like this, ever. Like, it's just crazy. You may find the game, you may find pieces of it, but you're not going to be able to find this in the box.